And welcome to Financial Friday. My name is Letitia Hardy, and I'm with the Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service. Today, we will be discussing insuring for less. So, this will be one way that we can cut costs or some of our expenses that we have is to try to get a cheaper insurance amount than what we currently have. One way to do that is to comparison shop. At least every 3 years, you want to compare your rates. So, you can do that by using the state of Texas rate guides for auto, homeowners, Medicare, supplemental, and long term care. You can access it by going to www.tdi.texas.gov/consumer. Automobile example rates does not include collision or comparisons on the guide. So here, this is the Texas Department of Insurance site for consumer protection, and they will help you find the best rate for your dollar value. The TDI's auto insurance price comparison and home insurance price comparison will help you shop for insurance and show your annual price estimates that will be submitted by the TDI by companies listed. So they will have both auto and homeowner price comparisons and the estimates. These are the amounts that they will typically sell to new customers. Along with the price estimates, the guides will provide contact information for each company listed, their America's Best financial rating, and their complaint index, as well as some shopping tips. And then also the online price comparison will also include information on whatever discounts they will have available. So here you can go to helpinsure.com, and they will help you with your auto and residential property insurance needs. This is a free service that is from the Texas Department of Insurance and the Office of Public Insurance Counsel. So you will go on there, complete your driver's profile. They will ask you just some simple information. Um, Such as your what county you're in and your zip code and things of that nature. And once you put that on there, then they will bring you up a form for you to be able to do some comparison shopping. So here, this person is in Brazos County, and they are trying to insure a car. And also, they're going to be using the car to go to and from work. Okay, and so they ask for their marital status. So they're married. They are female. They're between the ages of 25 and 64. Their driving record shows that they have one speeding ticket. They have average credit rating, and they're trying to get coverage limits of 50, 100 to 50. So it's going to pull up the list of all the companies here, and then you'll be able to select which companies that you want to compare. So this will be one effective way to be able to cut costs. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that your credit rating does affect your insurance rate. So here, this person has they have the same things. They're in Brazos County. They're trying to insure a car. They're married. They're female between the same ages. One speeding ticket, but here they have good credit. So, in some companies may give them a discounts based on their credit rating, and so the amounts may be much lower. Also, it's going to show you all those things such as the with their sample rating, but their America's Best rating, their complaint index, how many complaints they've had, but how often do they change their rates based on 12, 24, and 36 months? So it's important to make sure that we're maintaining a good credit score as well as our driving record. We want to make sure that we keep those things in good standing because they will affect our credit scoring. So here, they will affect our overall insurance amount. And so here, this person is using the car for leisure. So just looking at the price for using it for leisure as opposed to going to and from work, then the annual rate is a little bit less because it's only for leisure, meaning that you're not going to operate it as often. So you may be able to get some discounts for that. So some things that you want to keep in mind to help you with your insurance is you want to watch that you are an over or under insured. For one, you want to make sure that you have the amount of money to cover anything that that would be damaged that you will possibly need to replace in the event that you're unable to occupy or utilize those particular items. You want to make sure that you have the amount, right? And then we also don't want to overpay for something of the value may not be as much as it is, to insurance. So let's say we have a car that is much older, but we had full coverage on it and we're continuing to pay the amount premium for it, and the car is not worth that much. Maybe it's only worth $2,000, and so it's not beneficial for you to be paying all this money to have full coverage insurance on that car, because if there's an accident, I mean, you're only going to get the value of the car, that's remaining. Okay. But also, you want to select the largest deductible that you can afford. So you want to make sure that in the event that something happens, that this is an amount that you feel comfortable that you'll be able to pay as a deductible. Explore multi-line discounts. See if you can bundle, like what other things can you put together? Can you put your home and auto insurance together and see what discounts they have available for all of those things. Seek other discounts to see what's available. Do they have like discounts for state employees, or do they have discounts for seniors? Just see what is available. You'll never know until you ask or try to at least compare. You want to make your payment once a year. This will save you on any of the service charges or the service fees that may come along with it. And most of all, you want to do your best to try to maintain good credit, because as we stated before, it will affect your overall insurance rating. So thank you so much for tuning in to Financial Friday. I am Letitia Hardy, and we will see you on next month.